Hello pretty YOLOs, face with stuck out tongue and tightly closed eyes. My last video blew up, so I decided to do another one. White smiling face, anyways, let get it. It relieved face without mouth, smiling face with heart-shaped eyes. Hi guys. What do you want? Hi gone high voltage sign. You know it's 4 in the morning, right? Hi gone. Can we play a game? What game? Bank credit card, bank with dollar sign, bank with dollar sign, bank money with wings, bank credit card, bank money with wings, bank money math face, 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 money math face. Stop using those emojis, Leorio. Chilly anyways, so stop blowing up my phone. Ooh, gone. No. Cross Crollo Cross is online. I heard someone called me. No. Shut the fuck up, pedo. Smiling face with heart-shaped eyes. Money mouth face. Let's just play a game, alright. Smiling face with open mouth and smiling eyes. If oi do bob, what kind of game? Pedos are not allowed. Pouting face. Can you guys shut the sparkles up? Never. Brother come home. No ugly pinhead pincusion ugly ass girl wannabe. Okay, let's just play a game. PLS. What game? Hisoka told me to play Kiss Marry Kill. Hisoka, you're a piece of shit. Face with rolling eyes. IDC. Okay, let's play Kiss Marry Kill now. Who's going first? Me. Illumi. Okay. Kiss Marry Kill. Killua gone Leorio. None. Yo. No. Pick who you want to kiss marry kill, dumbass. I said no. Anyways, come home. No. I'm next, hugging face. Killua. Oh. Kiss marry kill. Kurapika me Hisoka. Kiss Kurapika on the cheek, marry gone, kill that pedo. Face with rolling eyes. Flushed face. Okay, I'm next. Smiling face with heart-shaped eyes. Kiss marry kill. Leorio Illumi Crollo. Kiss Crollo face with stuck out tongue and tightly closed eyes, blowing a kiss marry Illum Bobs. Kill that ugly greedy money boy. Excuse me. Can you guys shut the fuck up? I'm trying to sleep. No. Anyways, bye, I'm going to sleep. Kill UA is offline. Bye, face with stuck out tongue and tightly closed eyes. Kurapika Sparkles is offline. Bye, thumbs up sign. My dad said Sparkles gone is offline. Bye. Pedo is offline. Medium black circle mouth, medium black circle is offline. I feel left out anyways, bye. Mr. Leorio money with wings is offline. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Honestly, this video was rushed anyways, bye.